Another side to our activity is we decided to try and replant an apple orchard that had once been covered in old varieties of apple trees, most of which had died, and we were left with one or two. So we decided to search around, and we managed to find a source of traditional varieties. So we have something in the order of 25 heritage apple trees, not particularly for a commercial aim. It's more for our own use and for making apple juice, and just to preserve these trees. We have, as part of our pig project, an idea to put the pigs under the apple trees, which I believe was an ancient method of improving apple quality, because the pigs would eat the windfall apples, which were often a habitat for bugs, which would then finish their life cycle and pop back into the tree and reduce the quality. And I understand there is a dramatic improvement in the quality of the apples if you use this method. One of the things that is very noticeable and reassuring when one's made the decision to go organic, we have now been organic, certified organic, if you can say, since 2001, so approaching 20 years. And with the projects of planting trees, the installation of the apple orchard, we've also put wildflower mixes in certain places. And what is very striking is there's been an improvement, a vast improvement in the number of diversity of wildlife. From wildlife, I'm talking insects, butterflies, birds, game birds, a whole spectrum of species, who obviously find that a greater diversity of food for their which suits them. And this is very reassuring. The thing with well, any farming, but particularly organic farming, is we don't have all the solutions. I certainly don't, but it's an ongoing project, and for our future we hope we can continue to improve, try out new ideas, and through our hard work and efforts find solutions to problems. We hope we can produce and bring a superior quality of meat to the consumer, who can be assured that the animals and the meat they're eating is being reared ethically.